Launch the digital lending portal as a standalone web application or as a widget. To begin with, the prospect needs to be on board. We capture basic details of the prospect. As the phone number is used for communication, we validate the phone number through an OTP. Aadhaar number is also validated through an OTP. Photo of the prospect on Aadhaar card is validated with the image of the person in the video. Details from the Aadhaar card are extracted and used to prefill the prospect details for verification with UIDAI. On successful validation, we proceed to capture PAN details. The details extracted from PAN are validated with TIN. After the validation, we move on to live verification. 3 random questions are asked based on user documentation provided. Answers provided are validated with available information. On successful validation, the user is on board. The lending process starts after this. It begins with the capture of income details. Income information along with proof through salary slip and ITR needs to be uploaded. ITR can also be downloaded from the tax portal through the option provided. The customer's credit score is extracted from designated credit bureaus. Based on rules defined and data captured, loan is in principle sanctioned. The customer chooses the quantum of loan and the tenure based on which the installments are calculated. Next, the customer's bank account details are captured and verified through penny drop. After this, we proceed to the loan documentation. If the customer agrees, the loan document is shared for digital signing. Once the customer has signed and the copy uploaded, the signature of loan entity's authorized signatory is automatically attached and the complete document is available for download.